cooking is one of the essential skill that everyone must have. Be it a girl, be it a boy. At the end of the day, you need to eat, and you cannot rely on the outlets, hotels, or someone else cooking all the time, right? There will come a time when you need to step into the kitchen and you need to cook something for yourself, right? And if it's bad, that's frustrating. So you need to learn this skill when you are a bachelor. You have to cook something regardless how bad it is, right? It's your food, so you can eat it easily, without complaining anything because you cooked it, right? So my point is that learn cooking, and it's really good. So basically what I'm trying to say is learn cooking. And what is the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video is learning Tamil. So this is the day 4 and I need to learn Tamil, right? So I thought I'm making dal today, right? So why not learn words that includes while preparing food or while eating, right? There are a lot of things, so there are a lot of words I need to learn. For example, a tur dal. I don't know what to call in Tamil, or a utensil, or what do we call a spoon, tomatoes, onions, green chili, we have mustard, we have haldi, we have water, we have salt, we have chili, we have oil. These are the different words I need to learn, right? And I need to learn also what do we call eating, or what we call cooking, what we call cleaning, what we call cutting, and everything. So these are the different words that I'll cover today, right? There are two things. One is that I am cooking, so the food will be ready in half an hour. At the same time, also learning Tamil. Hey Jimny, so I have dal, I have an utensil, I have onions, tomato, green chili, garlic, cumin seeds, and mustard seeds, haldi, salt, red chili powder, oil, and a spoon, and then water. So what do we call this ingredients in Tamil? Just give me the Tamil meanings of these ingredients.
Sure. Once again, dal means paruppu, new utensil means pudiya pandaram, onions means vengayam, tomato means takkali, green mirchi means pachai milagai, garlic means poondu, cumin seeds means siraga, mustard seeds means kadugu, haldi means manjal, salt means uppu, red chili powder means sevai milagai podi, oil means ennai, spoon means karandi, and water means tanni.
While eating, I'll practice these words, and yes, I also try to make some sentences using them. While eating only, I'll just document the same thing again. So yep, so for that, learning of day 4 will be finished. Everything is gone. Now, I will add water, and then we'll add some onions. Right, and then we'll add tomato. It will be more tomatoes, right? And I'm adding some green chili, right? Green chili is right? I'm adding 2 garlics, and then I'll just add some salt. Yep, I think it's enough. We'll just add it later. And then I'll add some haldi. I don't find the spoon of haldi all the time. I don't know where it goes, but it's just all the time. And then I'll add some, spoon here. Some green chili powder, not too much. Okay, same reason. It's not really that good. I'll add a little bit of oil now. After this dal is cooked, I'll make it like that. So that will be enough, right? It's not too bad. I need to cover the lid now, right? And this buddy is important. Come on, let it get like 3 whistles. We'll open it up, and that's it. Now look at this. This is the dal that we made. I was listing down all the words that I mentioned while I was cooking, and the ingredient itself, they come out to be almost like 15 or something. And then I need to learn the action words, basically like cooking, eating, or washing, cutting, peeling, and all those. These are the action words that involves in the cooking, right? And then I listed them, and then they came out to be again like up 10 to 12. Like this Samaikkiren is cooking, and then Samaikka is cooking, and then Kudikka is washing, Vetta is cutting, and then peel is Rusikka, and then Tikka is boil, and then Kalakka is mix, and then Ootra is pouring, and then Saapida is eat, then Kudikka is drink, and then Parimara is serve, and then Mellu is chief. And I have to make some sentences using this. So still I don't recall all this. I need to remember them. I need to revise them again. So if I had to make a sentence like I'm cooking dal, so it's like nenu pappu vandutunnanu in Telugu. So it's naan, paruppu is the pappu, then samaikkiren is vandutunnanu, is cooking. So naan, paruppu, samaikkiren. the first sentence, and second is, let's say if I have to say food is tasty. In Telugu it's ఆహారం రుచిగా ఉంది. So in Tamil it would be like Saapida is a food, and then Rusiyaga is tasty, and then Iruku is to be, undadam, right? And then Naku Aakalestundi is, I'm hungry in English, is this Enaku Pasikudu. Pasikudu, I need to learn this word. And then I'm cooking food is Nenu Annam Vandutunnanu is Naan. Saapida Parimarigiren. Sorry, it's Parimarugiren. That's I'm cooking food, and then I'm eating now. It's Naan Ippudu Saapidigiren. So Naan Ippudu Saapidigiren. Ippudu is Ippudu. Now is now only. Yeah, this is all for today. Meanwhile, I'll tell you a story, about the dal itself, right? I have a great story regarding this dal. So when I was a kid, I used to hate dal, but now I love dal. When I was a kid, my mother used to work in agriculture field. So my parents are the farmers, and my mother used to cook dal like 3 to 4 times in a week. Sometimes even 5 times. I mean to say, dal is the main curry. It's not like dal and there is some other curry, vegetable curry. No, dal is the main curry for us, right? So if my mom makes dal in the morning, we'll eat in the morning, we'll eat in the afternoon as well, and sometimes in the evening as well. If not, there is an extra curry, right? So it depends how tired they are, working in the fields. If they are more tired, they'll just don't cook in the evening. I mean to say, they'll cook the rice but not the other curry. If dal is there, then they'll just eat with the dal, right? So, eating this dal 3 to 4 times or sometimes 5 times in a week, I was bored about it. So I never used to like it. Okay, and then after that I went to the hostels and everything. That's a different story. But you know what? Now and then I always make dal again. You know the reason? Because it's easier to make. So my mom used to work in the agriculture field. She get tired easily, right? Because it's a lot of manual work, and you cannot come home, chop the vegetables, cook curry, special curry for you and everything. That's not the story. And I used to blame my mother that you always cook this only dal, right? But I never knew the effort they required to cook again, because they're putting a lot of effort in the agriculture fields. They also have to come to home, they need to cook again. Early in the morning, they have to wake up early in the morning, they need to, clean the house, clean the cattle's shed and everything, and they need to wash the clothes, because there are a lot of people in the house, right? You have at least 4 to 5 people. The mother's sole responsibility is, she need to clean, she need to cook food, she need to clean the clothes, wash the clothes and everything, right? So in the morning, also they don't have much time. Again, they have to rush to the agriculture fields, right? So that was the story. But now and then I always make dal because it's easier to make, right? Now I understand the pain of the mother who cooks every day for you, right? So yeah, that's the point. So learn. So that's the story of the dal. Dal is easier to make, and it's tasty as well. You can make different dals. You can make papu charu. You can make simple masala dal. You can make dhaba style dal. You can also make a normal regular dal. You can also make a mudda papu in Telugu. So there are a lot of different style. There are different recipes of the dal. Yeah. So I love it now because I'm the one who is cooking, right? I know the pain, and I know how much effort it takes to cook every day, right? Yeah, that's the story.